There's an old saying, while you're growing up, set good seed along the way. So when you get older, these same seed that you set, you might be able to harvest from them. It's the same with your garden. You want to plant things that you use, things that you love, things that you enjoy. So you could plant the mint, the scallion, the rosemary, the sage, the strife, the marigold, and they will fulfill a good part of you. This is the rua plant. It grows like a scrub. It produces some beautiful flowers, and it also has a very strong scent. This is a plant you need to do some research, and you might just want to grow it in your backyard. Making space for your garden. If you have a small space and you don't have much room, what you can do, you can use a drum, a half a drum. You could plant your fruit tree inside of it, and you can plant beets, all different type of plants right around it. This is how you create space for your garden. Okay, the banana is producing, guys. The banana already farming. As far as I see it, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hands I've recognized so far. And when you come over here, you see it have more. Another tree is coming right here. So this is an update, guys. So grateful. This is clay soil, and clay soil is a very challenging soil to deal with. So every time you come out, when it's rain, it's best you take something and you push it and you wake up the soil. Every time it's rain, you try to come out and you wake up the soil, and then you break it up like this, because you don't want the sun to come and penetrate it. Because if the sun penetrate this, it's gonna get hard like a rock, and it's gonna make it so difficult for the root to go through the soil. So this is how we do it, guys. We come out every time it's rain, we break up the soil. All these pieces down here that's so big and clammy, we break them up. Sometimes it's good to add some leaf in between, so the leaf could help separate them from clamming together. So guys, if you're dealing with clay soil, you can grow something, but I'm telling you, it's challenging, and it's best for you to come out and break up this soil every time. This whole area is clay soil, but if you notice what I'm doing, I'm using the shovel, break it up, then I come with my hand. You could use a gloves and you break it up every time.